You gotta go straight on, like you gotta go like you're going straight down the mountain, okay? Don't dig your edge into the...
Your knees bent, find your balance. Yeah, toe edge, good.
There you go.
There it is.
Yeah! Nice try, kiddo! That was your first try! How was that? You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, did that
Okay.
hurt? Yeah, I saw you.
Guess what?
Good.
The trick to that is to go faster. But I didn't set you up with a ton of speed, but see how that was?
Good job.
What happened is you were on it, you were doing great, and then I think you lost speed, so you kind of dug your edge, and that's what made you slip out.
I got this.
Okay, toe edge. Okay, board flat. Good. Ride it. Yeah! Woo!
Control your speed, okay? Snowplow. Hey.
Don't you ready again?
What are you doing?
Yeah, no.
See if you, without using your hands, can you stand up and go?
Now?
Nope, guess not.